Hey everybody, it's Odin, and today I am so excited. I bought a fake MAJIRA strawberry fursuit online. Now, it was a little bit ago, MAJIRA tweeted that someone had posted on Etsy of all places that they were going to sell a suit that's just a straight up picture of his. I was like, oh man, this is too good. So I jumped on it right away and I bought it. So online, there's actually a lot of like instances of this happening. I've had like my friend Blueski or whatever. They just post pictures of our fursuits and then they say they'll make a replica of it from like Alibaba, AliExpress, whatever. Just Chinese manufacturers that make garbage animal mascot costumes. And to my knowledge, I don't know anybody who's actually bought one, but I wanted to be the first. So I bought the MAJIRA copy off of Etsy. All right, so I'm really excited because I looked at the tracking information and it's supposed to arrive today. In fact, is that the doorbell?
I think it is.
Okay, all right, we're not gonna waste any time. Let's just go right to the door. I wanna open it up right now. I'm so freaking excited.
Let's go.
I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Woo, it's here. All right, we're gonna cut away to me opening it up. Okay, so I'm here with the package and I'm just gonna open it right up. So let's see what the hell this thing actually looks like. Oh my God. It's perfect. Okay, so oh my God, I'm flabbergasted. This thing, like, it literally looks perfect. I was never even expecting this. I thought it would be like a terrible mascot costume or whatever, but words or whatever. Why don't I just put it on, show it off, because I'm so excited. This MAJIRA is not even gonna believe this. I mean, it's gonna put mischief makers out of business. Holy crap. And this thing was cheap too. All right, so I'm gonna cut away and I'm going to be wearing fake MAJIRA strawberries. Hey guys, it's MAJIRA. Oh my God, I can't believe, like, this thing like, if you were to get the real MAJIRA right here next to me, you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. I am ecstatic at how great this turned out. So as you can see, it's like super good quality fur. Like, they use like really great long pile. The gloves are great, but they're optional because, you know, it's MAJIRA. So yeah, I'll just stand up and like show you. Here's the cute little tail. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think, cameraman? Do you think it's like perfect?
Yeah, I think it's amazing.
Oh my God, I can't wait to show MAJIRA this footage because he's gonna be weirded out that there's like a doppelganger fursuit out there. And I got this for so cheap. So yeah, I'm like head over heels in love with this. Maybe I'll even go to a fursuit and like walk around and be like, hey guys, I'm short MAJIRA, and like see what people say. We'll see. Future plans, right? So if you guys want a fake fursuit like this, I don't recommend you support these people because they're obviously just ripping off other people's work. So don't do what I did and buy one. I just bought it for the gag. Even though it turned out like perfect, avoid them. This will be the only second MAJIRA strawberry. So I think I pretty much said everything I need to say about this. I'm just basking in the glory. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, bye. Okay, so obviously that's fake. I built the fake MAJIRA fursuit last night. I stayed up till 6 a.m. I bought everything at Goodwill and I built that myself with some hot glue and some other budget materials. So if you stick with the video, after I do the outro, I am going to have a behind the scenes of how I made it. Just a little bit of extra footage. So if you're at all curious to how I made fake JIRA, stick around for that. But I have an Amazon wish link in the description below. You can buy me stuff to help my channel and the streaming. I also have a Patreon now. Check that out. I'm really happy with how that's going. Subscribe, of course, because you know you need to see more premium content like this in the future. I hope you guys like this video because it's more lighthearted. It's just a joke. It's not a real fursuit, just a prank, bro. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week. It's been Odin and bye-bye. Okay, so I'm walking out of Goodwill. I just bought everything I needed to make a fake MAJIRA strawberry fursuit. So it cost me like 30 bucks, but it's totally worth it because I bought the stupidest stuff. Okay, so it's missing that spark, you know, to make it really MAJIRA. So literally I bought sparkle for the hair. I'm gonna try just putting this in the fur and seeing how it turns out. We'll find out. Ugh.
Alright, so the audio for the behind the scenes was kind of corrupted, so I'm just kind of dubbing over it. I just want to show you here, I used this green frog plush for the green on Majira. These red gloves that were in the Halloween section of Goodwill. They're so shitty, I had to use them. This black sweatshirt, this yellow sweatshirt, and then a bathrobe, a red bathrobe for the majority of Majira. And then, of course, a bunny costume from Goodwill. Yes, a bunny Halloween costume was kind of the base of it, and I flipped it around. So this is all the components of Majira. So it was kind of like a thrift hunt Majira Goodwill trip, and I had a lot of fun. I also got these glitter pens that you saw earlier. So I'm going to take all these things, and I'm going to try to make the best Majira I can.
looks amazing. Wow.